Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Steam Workshop mods for Planet Zoo. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a navigation menu there with several options. Hover your mouse over the Community tab, and when the drop-down menu appears, click on Workshop. This will take you to the Steam Workshop hub where you can browse and subscribe to user-created content for all your games. Now you'll land on the Workshop main page, which showcases content from various games. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type Planet Zoo into the field. As you type, Steam will display some suggested results below the search bar. Go ahead and click on Planet Zoo from those suggestions. This ensures you're browsing Workshop content specifically designed for Planet Zoo rather than other games. Once you're on the Planet Zoo Workshop page, take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a variety of filters that help you narrow down exactly what kind of content you're looking for. These filters are incredibly useful because the Planet Zoo Workshop contains thousands of different items ranging from building blueprints to animal habitats and decorative pieces. Click on your preferred variety filter to sort through the available content. This might be categories like animals, buildings, scenery, or specific themes that interest you. After applying your filters, browse through the results that appear on the page and click on your preferred workshop mod that catches your eye. This will open up the mod's dedicated page where you can see screenshots, descriptions, and details about what the creator has made. You'll also see user ratings and comments here, which can help you decide if this is something you want to add to your game. On this page, you'll notice a subscribe button. Go ahead and click subscribe. The moment you click this button, Steam will automatically begin downloading the mod in the background. You don't need to manually download anything or move files around. Steam handles the entire process for you, and the mod will be integrated into your Planet Zoo game automatically. The download happens seamlessly while you continue browsing or even playing other games. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to a Planet Zoo Workshop mod, and it will be available in your game the next time you launch it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.